Nagsimula po ang Baungan Planters Association dahil sa pagkapanalo ng parents ko sa survival gardening. Dahil po dyan, nagtuloy-tuloy po yung proyekto para maging isang asosasyon para sa komunidad. Na-inspire po yung parents ko na i-share po kung ano po ang nalalaman nila about gardening. Lalong-lalo na po at pandemic, marami pong nangangailangan, marami pong hindi makalabas sa kanilang mga bahay. Kaya naisip na lang po nila na sa pagtuturo nila kung paano magtanim ng iba't ibang uri ng gulay, mas makatulong po sila sa mga neighbors po na nangangailangan.
The Baungan Planters Association, based in Bacacang Central, Baguio City, is comprised of urban gardeners dedicated in promoting urban gardening and its benefits within the community. One key practice of our organization is the regular conduct of meetings to ensure that all members are informed about current plans and to address any issues promptly. During these meetings, assistance provided by the agencies such as the Agricultural Training Institute, the City Veterinary and Agriculture Office, and other relevant bodies is shared with all members, ensuring transparency with the proper dissemination of information and inputs. Our organization follows a bayanihan system where all members willingly contribute to the strengthening of the organization by providing inputs, funds, time, and service. Members actively participate in maintaining the community garden and extend their practices to their own homes, while also sharing their knowledge with neighbors. Thanks to our group's efforts, we were fortunate to be selected by the Agricultural Training Institute as one of the urban model farms in Baguio City. In addition to our community engagement, our association maintains its status as a model farm by consistently showcasing a well-maintained garden to the community. We keep meticulous records to serve as a necessary basis for monitoring purposes. Moreover, we actively promote a culture of continuous training and adaptation to new technologies to enhance the development and skills of our members.
Kasano nga natulungan jay Baungan iti community, jay dadto mga produce me, i-market me kanyada or if needed, ipadawat me no adunay.
Baungan Planters Association iti komunidad ket isuda ito'y makunang isuda ti kaslangan ng riing iti interes na gito na residentes tayo lalo na biya dati basit nga space na pay nga mabalin na pay nga magbulan